Imagine this. Ordinary people are making over $1 million selling digital products online that they created by using a single free tool. And you know what? You too can do it. You can literally do that same stuff. This tool makes it so easy that anyone can literally start without no skill at all, and they still be able to start creating products online and start making money. And that is why in this video I'm going to be walking you through steps by step on how you can create your own digital products and start selling them for a huge amount of money and making recurring income for you and your family. Now wait a minute, before you skip over this video thinking that this is too impossible, that you can't make it, let me just give you a brief statistics. Now in 2023, the global market for digital products reached $331 billion and is expected to keep growing rapidly. And guess what? You can tap into this market too, even if you are just starting out as a beginner. Trust me on this. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through all the steps, everything that you need in order for you to start creating your own digital product. First, I'm going to show you 7 top digital products you can create and sell right now. Then I'm going to show you real life examples and success stories of people who are making a killing with these products. Thirdly, I'll show you step-by-step instruction on how you can create these products using a simple, most important tool in 2024 and beyond. Finally, I'll give you tips and tricks on how you can market and sell your digital products effectively. If you are still hanging on the fence, then my bro, this video is not for you. But if you think that this is something you need and you need to learn the skills and understand the steps that is needed to start making digital products and start selling them, then this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Most times why beginners fail when it comes to selling online is the fact that they go about trying to do something that is too hard for them. And you know, when you don't have the necessary skills, start, it is very, very hard for you and almost impossible for you to start making money online. That is why it is important for you to look at the skills and the products that match your skill level that you can start selling right now and today. Now, digital products are items like ebook, printable, templates, plans, and etc. These things are very simple to create, but you need to know what angle are you going to start creating these products. And the first thing that I always tell people, you have to look for something that have low startup costs and they don't require shipping and they can be sold over and over, creating passive income. And this product I'm going to be showing you right now, the demand for the product increased by 200% in the last 3 years. Entrepreneurs are earning anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month just by selling these digital downloadable products. And this thing can be designed simply using one tool that I'm going to reveal to you right now. And that magic tool is nothing but Canva. Yes, you heard it. Canva is a free tool, simple to use. You don't even need to have any design skill to be able to start creating products using Canva. Like, I can't even believe how easy it is. And yet, a lot of people don't know the power of Canva when it comes to creating digital products. Now let me show you 7 products you can start creating right now using Canva to start making a bank. The first type of product you should create today as a beginner first is ebook. Yes, ebooks are a hot commodity for online learning, niche topics, and self-publishing. You can design an ebook on Canva and sell it on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. But let me tell you something about ebooks. When you want to create an ebook, you need to create an ebook that solves problems for a huge number of people. Another thing about studying an ebook is that you don't need to go for something too difficult. You see, anything that can solve problem for another person can be turned into an ebook and you can sell it. You can start selling this thing as little as $7 and even up to $250. Ebook are sold in that manner, right? So just look for your niche area of expertise if you have one. If you don't have one, look for a pain point that other people are having. Then go right in there and solve it for them. You don't need to be an expert to go into selling ebooks. Don't allow them fool you, telling you have to be a guru, you have to be the. Just make sure you are solving problem and package it in an ebook. That will do very well. Product number 2 that you can start selling right now is social media templates. Businesses, influencers, entrepreneurs are constantly looking for pre-made social media templates to boost their online presence. Nobody wants to go into the hassle and bustle of creating unique content every single day by themselves. So they're looking for templates, something that will show them template with different timing that can be created and they are unique with special designs. All these guys need to do is to just change the date, change some things, put the topic they want, and put their contact information. This product is ready. You can be that guy that can go on Canva right now, create a social media template for these businesses and influencers so that you can relieve them of the stress of going to go and create this product while they focus on their business and influencing as entrepreneurs. And that is what you are going to be doing for you to make this amount of money. Business number 3 you can start right now is so fantastic. This is used on a daily basis by a lot of people. And I'm talking about planners and journals. Your favorite entrepreneurs have planners and they have journals and they are selling, they are making so much money. Yes, I mean it. Now, people are willing to pay for a beautiful design, printable planner that will help them stay organized. Sometimes people even have mental issues because of the way they are always on the internet. They cannot concentrate. With these planners and journal, one will be able to plan his life, concentrate, and be able to have things documented as he progresses through life. This is so valuable. A lot of people are looking for this and it's making so much money. This is something you can start. You do not need to have plethora of skills and be a professional in psychology to be able to do this. Like, anybody can start this business. Business number 4 that you can start right now is printable. Yes, wall art, quotes. See, people are looking for something that can speak to their heart, that can champion them in a specific direction, and wall art does that perfectly. Quotes does that. So all these printable wall art and quotes are always in demand. If you want to know if they are actually in demand, go on Etsy and check right now. You will see that this product are selling like crazy. If you have the tools to be able to check, you will see how much this product are being sold every single month. And in a year, they run into millions. You can create a design using Canva and sell them repeatedly over and over and be gaining recurring income. Digital product you can create right now using Canva to make so much money is business cards and branding kits. Entrepreneurs and small business owners often look for professionally designed branding kits and business cards. Why? Because this is how they show people that they are professionals, and when they go out for networking and meetings and other places to go speak, they are able to remove these handy professionally made design cards and hand it over to friends, to family, to other colleagues, to other partners. Before you know it, they begin to get calls and people value them and they begin to land themselves huge deals. So they will be happy to have you design something like this for them. Right? This is a no-brainer, guys. And I'm wondering, why are people not talking about these simple things that we can start doing and be making money every single day? Digital product you can start creating right now, number 6, is online course, workbook, and worksheet. Now, I'm not telling you to go and create online course because you will say online course is so difficult. Online course is hard. I need a skill. I need this. Okay, no problem. But you can create an online course workbook. You can look at other courses that other people have created. Go and create a workbook for it. Look for popular courses that are making sales that a lot of people are buying. And most of those courses don't come with workbook. Your goal is to go create a workbook and worksheet to help people while they are learning. This can be university students, this can be expert, this can be entrepreneurs, this can be secondary school students. You look for physics book and create a worksheet for it. I'm telling you, people are going to buy this. People are buying it already. Go and check it on Etsy and Amazon. People are already buying it. As the online learning continues to grow every single day, there is a massive market for educational materials like all these workbooks, guides, and sheets. Go for these things, guys. Go. These things do not require you to be an expert in this area. Finally, what you can do right now and start selling and making your digital product using a simple free tool, which is Canva, is resume and cover letter template. Now, imagine this. Ordinary people are making over $1 million as I'm speaking to you. Job seekers are willing to pay you if you can just go on Canva, look for a stylish cover template on Canva, edit it, make it available for them. They will buy it from you. And just make sure that when you give it to them, it's also editable for them. They can put some information on it. I'm telling you, a lot of job seekers don't know how to craft good resume for themselves or cover letters, and they are losing job. If you let them know that you are solving this problem for them and they can start landing their dream jobs, this is a multi-million-dollar business already. So this is what you should do. And now, if you are still doubting, let me tell you something. My friend, a stay-at-home mom, right? Stay-at-home mom, she and her husband started selling digital planners on Etsy using Canva. Within 6 months, she was making over $5,000. Now, but again, don't miss the point. She was able to do this because she understood this particular niche, and she was able to start learning how to create designs for that particular niche, and she made it up to that amount of money. Now let's look at the next part of this video. Okay, Henry, you have said it all. These are the products I can create, but how can I go about creating them? Now let me walk you through step-by-step process on how you can create these products right here on Canva. Now, the moment you head on to Canva, the first thing you want to look for is for you to think about a product type. Before you go to Canva, decide on what digital product you want to create. Let me say you want to create a social media template bundle for people who are entrepreneurs, who are business people, and they don't have time to go and be creating this thing for themselves. Even me, I need something like this. So you create a bundle with a lot of social media posts that you can just rinse, repeat, and post. Just go and edit. You don't need to be designing them. If that's what you want to do, boom, you choose it. If it's an ebook you want to create, if it's a workbook, look for among these top 7 that I mentioned, choose which one you want to go for. Then step number 2 is you will just go, click the link below for Canva, go and sign and log into Canva. For free. You will sign up for free without spending any amount of money to sign up for Canva. Once you have access to Canva, just go to templates. You will see thousands of templates that are already pre-made for you on Canva, right? On the Canva design tool. These things are available. You will see the ones for premium, and you will also see the ones that are free. If you are on the free part, if you are starting, go on the free, you will see beautiful designs. Look at them. Beautiful designs, templates that you can go and get on Canva, and you don't need to pay for all these designs. Now, what you want to do for me right now, step number 3 is to select a template or start from scratch. I will not advise you as a beginner to start from scratch. Always start from something. Don't go about rewriting the wheel, except if the wheel is not written already, so you can go and create your own. But always start from the shoulders of those who are gone ahead of you, so that you can see further and now create something new. So as you go, look for templates that suits whatever one you're going to be choosing from the list of 7 that I mentioned. Choose the template that you think is good for you and begin to customize it to fit in the kind of brand that you want to be able to make for your own business into other people. So all you need to do is enter the text, edit the text, go customize it, change some few things, all these dummy text, remove them and make them your own. That's all you need to do. Once you do that, you will just save this thing. Always make sure you personalize it. Step number 5 is you save and export these products. So once you've chosen the design and it's ready, and you've saved the quality designs, you can save them as a PDF or PNG or JPEG file. Now you have a digital product. Maybe you are trying to create an ebook. If you want to create an ebook for about a specific problem, all you need to do is to head on to ChatGPT. I have a video below where I explain how to use ChatGPT to write a complete book in 24 hours, and you can also use the same stuff for an ebook. So go get all the information after you've gotten it from ChatGPT. Take it to Canva, put them there, customize them, save and make them available according to the extension you want. Then upload the list of your products on an online platform. See, you can go for Etsy, depending on the product you created. You can choose to go for Gumroad, or even on your own website. You can set a price, go and research, see how much are people selling this same type of product on all these platforms, on Amazon, on Etsy, on Gumroad. Check how much are they selling this type of products, then price your own accordingly and begin to make it available on this platform. But let me tell you something, the moment you create these products are not going to sell themselves. Yes, they won't sell themselves. So how do we get these products out there for people to see it and to even patronize and buy them? And that is the final part of this video, marketing and selling of your digital product. Let me give you a quick step approach that you can literally go and implement right now. The first thing you want to do when it comes to selling your digital product, by the way, that is where all the money is made. You need to be able to have your digital products, market your digital product, and market it effectively for people who need to buy it. And these are the steps. Step number 1, Use social media marketing. Yes, share your designs on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok to reach a broader audience. If you want to go about this, most times I will advise create some video content around this, educating people about the benefit of your products, right? Then let them know if they want to go and get the product. There is a link below. Boom, they go click the link, they will go and they will buy. This is very simple. This is what every person that is making huge amount of money on the internet is doing. Don't just go and start sharing link. Always provide value first. Go and provide value. Record a video. It can be a voiceover, it can be a video showing your face and telling people the benefits, showing them the benefits of the product, and then have the link there for them to go and check it out. Don't even tell them to buy, just tell them to go and check it out. Then leverage on SEO. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords so that buyers can find your product easily, right? So this is the organic route. If you are going through the organic route, I always teach that if you want to sell your product, you have two options: the paid route and the organic route. The organic route is the SEO part, where you are going to optimize your products for people that are searching on Google, on YouTube, and other searchable social media platforms will be able to see your product. Then finally, you give them a discount and a bundle. Always create a discount and a bundle when you are selling something new. Create value bundles and offer limited time discount to attract these buyers. Tell them this is going to last for only 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, and this is what you need to do. You will get everything at a 90% discount. Boom. Before you know it, people are buying your products. So I'm telling you, Canva is just this one universal tool in 2024 and 2025 that everybody as a beginner, this is the most important tool. Go and master Canva. Now, even though you can start this thing without skill, but let me tell you the truth, if you just give a little time in mastering Canva, understanding how to design beautiful designs, right, with colors, write-ups, creating digital products, I'm telling you, you will never beg again. Making $10,000 per month or $1,000 or $500, whatever amount you want to make, will be like a chicken change for you. I'm telling you, digital product is easy to create, but you know what? Even the platform to sell them are very easy to sell on. But one thing that is holding people down is the marketing and the promotion. That's why I went ahead and I created a complete digital marketing funnel masterclass. It's a complete course that will guide you through every step on how to sell your digital products online. Go click the link below, watch that particular course, and become a champion in selling your own products, be it digital products or physical products. So guys, this is where my hand meets my head to salute your success. See you in the next video.